fuck is going on? Ow. With Rich. Yeah. So, what is up? So today we're just gonna fix our broken cars. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't been posting lately, but I've been busy, some shit went down. But we all good now, we all good. My car has a dead battery. Or it's not dead, but it's low voltage, and it didn't want to turn on for like 2 days until I figured out that it was the battery today, because he checked the multimeter and my friend from home sent me like a voltage chart, and I was like, oh, my voltage is at 11.9 or some shit, and it said that that's a dead battery. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna try to fix his car and make it run like a normal car. And I finally got my spanner wrenches in, so we can finally get some nice fitment and not look like a monster truck around town. So yeah, I think we're going to, you said D2?
That and Autobahn. Better.
Yeah, we're gonna go D2, which I've never been to, and then we're gonna go to Autobox, get me a new battery. Then we're gonna go to his place and work on the cars. Yeah, see y'all there. Look at all these pretty cherry blossoms. She keeps fucking me up and I keep sneezing. Hey, allergies. Well, we got our battery. We're gonna go to Up Garage real quick, and then old lady, watch out! We're gonna go D2 and get more stuff. Yeah, spending money on cars is so much fun. My bank account loves it. Man, my bell is squealing. I'm pretty sure I told you guys already. But new belts are on the way. They should be here Tuesday, so we do that then too, and it'll stop being annoying. Move. The famous Up Garage. We're at Rich's house, about to start working on a car. It stopped raining. Yeah, it was raining a lot earlier while we were driving over here. But fun fact, I almost bought the same exact car from Japan Partners.
It's all good.
Same exact one. I was looking at the same exact one. I had my money ready to go.
It's okay. I saved money when I bought this, kinda.
But now, unfortunately, it has some problems. And
we'll fix it.
we'll fix it. But yeah, it's not running right. It's not running smooth. It keeps kind of going to like a limp mode type thing. It's not like holding its idle. It keeps dying at idle. So we've diagnosed a lot of things. Went through. We didn't replace the mask, but we just unplugged them. They work fine, but maybe they're just shorting out when he's driving. Or check spark, change those out, change the coil harness. And still the same coil pack. But yeah, so still gotta go through this car. But sometimes I stop raining because I'm about to do my coilovers, lower the car a little bit more, just get some nicer fitment. I think we're gonna try to work on his car today too. Take out the mask. We got new ones. I think he's gonna redo the wiring, the electrical part of it, and resolder everything. Soldering. We're gonna solder stuff. And we also bought a new radio for him because his doesn't work. What else did we buy for your car?
I don't know.
That we're doing today? Oh yeah. If you want, we can put your intakes in today too. He has some HKS ones.
I can do my strut bar.
He has a Nismo strut bar and the Nismo rear strut.
I got my Nismo speedometer.
This guy's a Nismo head. Nismo everything.
Hell yeah. King bougie. Let's go. Alright, let's go set the shit up.
You want to close your doors or leave them open?
Leave them open, man.
Alright. Vamos. Look at that car. Look at it. Look at it. Is that a dummy fucker? Look, one of the sakura leaves fell onto my exhaust and it made a heart. So I'm gonna leave it there until it falls off when I wash it. Look at the battery up. I noticed one thing. Look at the battery. They put the kilometers at when you changed it. And this says 185,345. But the car has 80 kilometers on the clock. So now I'm thinking maybe the cluster was switched. I don't know. But I think it was changed in August of 2019, so last battery change. so I don't know if you see the levels. It's somewhere in the middle. It's in the lower side, but oh no, it's down here. Oh no, it's not. It's like up here. Yes, I don't know. I mean, whatever. Fresh battery, I guess. But we got the battery changed and some good old zip tie job. Because this thing that holds the battery in place through the top is too short for the battery. It doesn't even reach like all the way to the top, so I couldn't use this one. But for now, this should do. It doesn't move too much, but you didn't see that. Good. It works, all right. Well, we finished the battery and we try to start on the coilovers, but like always, when I do stuff it takes forever. I don't have the correct socket. I only have the biggest socket I have right now is a 17, and I'm pretty sure the lug nuts are like a 20 or a 21, and I left all my sockets at home. And it was funny because I asked Rich before we left, I'm like, do you think I should bring the rest of my sockets? And we're like, nah, I don't think we need them. But we fucking needed them. Run! But so now we're gonna walk to the store down the street, see if they have it. If not, gonna jack the car back down and go back to Autobox. I love working on cars. So much fun. Yeah. Are you having fun? Whoa. Ow. Didn't have what we needed, so off to Autobox we go. My turbo timer singing to you. All right, finally got this bitch off. It's really rusty back here. Look how rusty this is. This is what I was trying to show you guys last time. Rusted. But I mean, it should work for now. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some marks. Some chalk. Unfortunately, for inspections, like car inspections, I'm gonna have to raise it back up again. But yeah, I'm just gonna make my marks and then measure how far down I want to go. Probably just gonna drop it. I think I'm just gonna drop it a 1/4 inch. That should be good. And then yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done. Well guys, that was a fail. I've been sitting here like trying to force those collars to like budge or move. There is no getting them. Like they are on there and just stuck in place. So I guess I'm gonna have to get new coils. And I'm also get new studs. These are nasty. And I'm still waiting on brakes soon. But yeah, those things will not budge, and I guess it is what it is. I just have to get new coils. Kind of sad. I was really hyped for today. I was really hyped. But instead, all I got was a new battery and now scratched up wheels. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, that socket's pretty big, so it's just scratching the wheel. But I guess it just wasn't meant to be. I guess I was just meant to get new coils, man. I really don't want to keep spending money like this on the car. Oh well, I guess I'll just have to wait around. I'm gonna be sad and put on this tire, but we're probably gonna go look over my friend Rich's car, try to put some other stuff on there, so we'll see. Fail number 2 today. So we're actually gonna install some HKS filters for Rich's car, those bad boys. But for those, they don't use like the ordinary one because there's no threads on the intake side. I don't know. Oh, it is. On the phone real quick.
I don't lock my phone.
So there's no threads in here.
I didn't even fucking look.
Because that's how the ones he had on there. So we have to go to Homes real quick, and get a new screw because we need a longer one. So we need a screw and a nut so we could put it on. But I mean, that's an easy fix. So we're gonna head home and we're back. It's gonna rain later, but we're finally back. Picked up the goodies and we also went to go eat. Got some good sushi.
You're welcome.
Fucking dank ass tuna. I like a tuna, but we got these bad boys, so shit that was bad. All right, so we got this screw, some crush washers, some washers.
I wonder if this will fit all the way down. To be down here.
And then some more little nits.
Again.
Look at this man.
Fuck me.
Look at him, he's working on his car. Look at that, we got him installed. Yeah, we did something today. Hello, and welcome back to the episode of It Takes Us Forever to Do Things. So we successfully got the air intakes in, and now we decided to test our luck. And now we're swapping his radio. So he didn't like this one because it didn't have aux, and he couldn't find any channels, so we're messing with this stuff now. And it seems like we have everything in there. So all I have to do is just ground it and test it, and I hope we'll be 2 for 3 things, I think, because they were supposed to lower my car. They were supposed to paint something on his car on like the underside, the muffler guard or whatever. And then I think that was it. So we'll be 2 for 3, which is not bad. But I still wish I lowered my damn car.
For 2020.
It works. We're 2 for 3. Yeah, we got stuff done today. What is good? What is good? We are back in my car. But yeah, so it's a pretty fun day. Tried to fucking lower my car. Didn't happen, but it's cool. It's giving me more reasons to, you know, get new coilovers. Oh, my lights on, yeah. But yeah, you know, fix shit on Rich's car. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Sorry, you know, I lagged for a little bit. Shit happened, I was tired, but we're back now, and hopefully I can get more consistent content for y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for more in the future. I should be doing my belt soon. They should be coming in this week, so that's for sure gonna happen. And then yeah, hopefully find more shit to do. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe on this shit. Make sure y'all follow my social medias. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.